to view Facebook profile as someone else. So first of all, launch Facebook app on your mobile devices. Once you come here, you can tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on your name on top. Once you come here, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your Facebook profile. Go ahead and tap on View As. So now over here, you would be able to see how other people would be able to view your Facebook profile as. If you wish to, you can also tap on Edit Profile, or else you can simply tap on Exit View in order to exit the viewing method as someone else. So this is the way through which you can view your Facebook profile as someone else. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.